this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. So to do this, just go and open up the Revolut app and then go and click on crypto in the bottom. From here, just click on trade and select Bitcoin. Now here you can see the current price and you just want to go and click on buy. And then you will see this. Now here, just enter how much you want to buy. You can also see how much you have in your balance. So for example, I'll just do €1.50 and then click on review order. Then you will get an overview where you can see the fee. Now this purchase wouldn't really make sense because only 1 cent actually gets bought. So Revolut I think has a flat fee that is pretty high. So only if you are going to buy quite a lot, then it could be worth it. I wouldn't really buy under €40 because then you're going to pay a really high fee and you can better just go to an exchange such as Coinbase. But if you want to buy it, just click confirm order in the bottom and then you have successfully bought Bitcoin on Revolut. So now you know how to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.